Hey quiz fans, welcome back to BrainSpark. Today's challenge is wild. A giant mix of memes, beats, chaos sounds, characters, and the funniest voices you've ever heard. We've got everything today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a quiz. Think you can score a perfect run? Let's find out. Guess the voice. Yes, it's Sprunky. Can you guess the voice? It's Minecraft parody. Save one character. Let me know your answer in the comment section. How about this voice? Correct, it's Saja Boys. Which voice is this? Yes, it's Dogs. Can you guess this character? It's Abby Saja. Guess the voice. Little Zoe. Can you guess the voice? It's Ola Cat. What is the name of the animal that follows Genu around? The answer is Derpy. Did you get it right? How about this voice? Correct, it's Elsa. Which voice is this? Yes, it's Automaton. Find the odd one out. Here is the odd emoji. Guess the voice. It's Little Mira. Can you guess the voice? Yes, it's Miraculous Ladybug. Save one character. Let me know your answer in the comment section. How about this voice? Correct, it's Bongo Cat. Which voice is this? It's Legiana Cover. Can you guess this character? Yes, it's Dr. Han. Guess the voice. Correct, it's Rubber Chicken. Can you guess the voice? It's Roblox. Who won the hot sauce contest? That's right. Surprisingly, Baby Saja won. How about this voice? Yes, it's Huntr. Which voice is this? It's Fun Squad. Find the odd one out. Here is the odd emoji. How many did you guess correctly? Drop your score in the comments. Challenge your friends and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.